Oh yeah,
All to remove a water heater that you could have just cut in half.
no, it's not that easy.
It is that easy.
Not when you're this far in. I think this way is still easier.
Alright, punch it out.
This is actually going surprisingly well. Stop.
Mine four. Fine.
Let it down a little. You gotta shove a piece of something in there.
Yeah, something in between there.
You wanna put another piece of something in there?
Alright, we're good. We're good! Yep.
I mean, was this even necessary to take out?
Yeah. Alright, hold up!
That bottom is not gonna clear.
Yeah. I think we needed to push them in more.
Yep, these need to be, if these were closer together.
Oh, more!
Alright, we got more wood in there now. Just kind of see what happens.
She's really crunchy.
Want the hammer?
No, not quite yet.
This is literally like the most inefficient way to remove a water heater.
Stop! I'm surprised. Oh, we should have done more boards.
Yeah, it's this slip is catching over here. And it probably the other way. Like pull it back this way. Clear the lip. There you go. Yeah, you're clear now.
I want to get under. I want to get like under.
That's that's bending in. It's
Here.
well,
What is he using to pull it?
tow truck.
Try pulling it out. Yep. That's just too much. There's too much. I'm just gonna rip the floor out.
I think it's dug into that corner. Yeah. Let it out just a little bit. A little more. There you go. Now pry it away. It's good.
Keep going.
So close. We are over the edge. We're over the edge. Now will it clear the door?
Keep going.
Alright, well there's the outer shell anyway. The inner tube is still there.
Alright, I don't think we need a winch for that.
Yeah, we do, all the way up.
Hey, at least it made it out before it did that.
I don't know how it did that now, but not on the way up. Looks like we got a good anchor point there. That's the factory tow spot. So if we want to free spool the winch, hook it onto there.
Because we aren't men, apparently.
There you go. Now if we made it this far, it's gonna get winched up. Now these have a factory tow point.
Yep. standard.
All right, Tommy, remember your training. You gotta close that gap. Gotta close that gap. But don't spark the battery terminals on the tow truck bed.
Fine. Wood on the other end. Wood isn't conductive. That's closed.
There you go. Good job.
Wow. Oh, wow. Watch out, Nate. Lazy generation, my ass.
Well, now we use the other factory tow points. There's 7 of them on this unit,
Yeah, I can see that.
and we have to secure it properly so DOT doesn't come after us.
Okay.
All right. Remember the training. The hook goes right here. The hook goes right here.
This one?
Yes, you can use that one. Yep, that's approved. And we can go straight down to this one right here.
Yep.
Now we got to tighten it up.
Wait. I'm surprised you forgot that there's one more that goes on here.
Well, it's under a 500-pound load, so we have a little bit of regulations on here.
Oh, that was my bad.
Yeah, they just made that rule last September.
Yeah, it's been a while since I read the rules.
All right, now we tighten it up.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you're good. You're good. There you go. All right, that looks secure to me.
I mean, even the insulation's secure just because of like the aerodynamics and how we positioned it.
Yep. So you got this wind catcher here, which will act as a little baffle. It'll act like a spoiler and just keep everything down.
That's what we're looking for. Also, this machine might be mean, but she's not fast. So
It's still wired into the house here. All right, and that is how professionals don't do it. Yeah, it looks like we got it all loaded up. It's all secure. This is gonna be held on by its own weight right here. It's the heaviest part of the unit. It's going about 400 miles. All this fluff will be donated to the local wildlife for bird nests. There we go. Best in the business.
I mean, that's because there's no one else in the business.
That's probably for a good reason.